Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change your birth date on Viki app or how to update your birth date on Viki app. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see that I'm already on my home page and this is my profile's home page over here. So all you have to do is tap on this Me option on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your on profile section and then tap on this gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to various setting option. Simply tap on birthday, just our preferred language. Tap on it. Here you have an option of changing your birth date, month and year. So tap on this blank section next to this. Here you have an option of editing. Just you can see this pencil emo. Tap on it. And then you can choose your birth date, birth month, and then your birth year. And when you're done with it, simply tap on this OK option next to cancel. You can see that your birth date has been simply updated. So this is how you do it. This is how you change your birth date on a Viki app. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.